Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So promoting affiliate links in Pinterest is actually pretty easy. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Pinterest official website, which is going to be pinterest.com, or the following website that is official for your country. So in my case, it's going to be pinterest.ph. Now in this case, you need to have an account on Pinterest, so it's actually pretty easy. At the top right, you should see a login or sign up button at the top right. But in this case, once you've created it, we are now ready to start promoting our affiliate links. Now at the top left of your screen, go ahead and click on the create button here. And from here, you just need to upload some of the content that you want to use. So for example, I want to use this image of a puppy or of a dog I have right now. So in this case, you can just basically start adding your titles here. Now, just a few things that you need to remember here is it is really important that you use keywords whenever you're promoting something. So keywords are actually, from the name itself, are keywords. So these are more common or commonly used words to describe something. So typically these words are going to be something trendy. So for example, if someone is or people are currently searching a lot about dolls, you tend to use doll as a keyword. So it's actually really important. So first, check what is your niche and also what are the keywords that you'll be using. So for example, the title, make sure you start using keywords as well. Description, add keywords on it while making some type of content. And the most important part here is going to be the link section. Now, if you already have your link from affiliate or from a platform, like for example, if you have an affiliate link from Amazon, you can just basically click on the link here or add it in here and choose a board. So you could basically create a new board by saying affiliate program board here and just basically add them into that. Also, you need to tag some topics in here, so make sure that you tag the niche that you're in. So if you want to view the more options here, so if you want to allow people to comment or show similar products, you go ahead and do that as well. But in this case, that's about it. So you just need to publish this and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.